I'm here at the New York Bitcoin Center, conveniently located in Soho, Manhattan, and we're going to teach you how to use a Bitcoin ATM. Bitcoin ATMs are great if you want to buy Bitcoin and you don't want to give away your personal information online, and these days they're usually pretty conveniently located around any major city that you visit. Let's go. I'm here with Nick Spanos, who's the founder of the New York Bitcoin Center. It used to be located right down next to the stock exchange where we used to work there. It's great to see you, Nick.
Yeah, nice seeing you too.
Nick actually builds Bitcoin ATMs. So why do you build Bitcoin ATMs?
Well, we've been doing it for a long time, since like 2013. If you have a Bitcoin ATM, you don't need a bank.
In the Bitcoin world, it is difficult to make transactions without them being tied to your identity. Bitcoin ATMs let you buy Bitcoin without using an ID. This is convenient because you don't need a bank anymore. You have this ATM.
This is the last mile. Everything else is in the virtual world, and this happens to be in the three-dimensional world. You can put your three-dimensional pieces of fiat in there and get Bitcoin or vice versa.
Let's get to it, and you can show us how it all works. If you don't already have a Bitcoin wallet, you can print a paper wallet at the ATM. Keep this very secure because anyone who has a copy of the private key written on this paper wallet has access to your Bitcoin. Click Buy Bitcoin and read the terms of service. The ATM now wants to know where to send your Bitcoin. If you're using the new paper wallet you created, you'll scan the QR code on that piece of paper. If you have an existing wallet, scan the QR code for that wallet. Now you'll fill in the amount of cash that you'll be putting into the ATM in exchange for Bitcoin. For verification, enter a phone number and you will receive a security code texted to that number. You'll enter this in the next screen. You can use a prepaid cellular phone so as not to link your name to your number. Insert your cash one bill at a time. Once the ATM has registered each bill, click to finish. There you go, Bitcoin is heading to your address. If you don't want to keep your Bitcoin in the paper wallet, you can move it to another address. Wallets like the Jaxx wallet make it super easy to transfer Bitcoin from a paper wallet into your Jaxx wallet. Just click Transfer Paper Wallet, use your camera, then scan the bottom QR code on your piece of paper. That's the private key. Now there's nothing on the piece of paper.
So this is worthless now.
And it's as easy as that. That's how you use a Bitcoin ATM. And you guys are open every weekday?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
Every day, till 9 p.m.
And what other things can people find out when they visit the New York Bitcoin Center?
We have like classes, from trading classes to programming classes.
You can also buy this sweet swag here. So thank you so much for chatting with me. This has been great.
Thank you, Bitcoin girl.
If you like my channel, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. I also have a Patreon account and wanted to give a special shout out to all the awesome people there. And a huge thank you to the sponsors of the show for making these videos possible. Thanks so much for watching.
She used to just party, go all the way.